If you are choosing between Copper CRM and HubSpot, here's the fast answer. Copper is the simple Google native CRM for small sales teams. HubSpot is the full growth platform for teams that need marketing, sales, and service in one place. Let's break down why. Pricing. Copper starts around $9 to $12 per user per month for its starter plan, and its professional plan, the most popular tier, runs about $59 per user per month, with automation and higher contact limits. HubSpot has a genuinely useful free CRM, but its paid sales hub professional starts around $100 per seat per month, often with a one-time onboarding fee that can run into four figures. HubSpot's Marketing Hub also prices based on your number of marketing contacts, not seats. So importing a big messy list can spike your bill fast. Bottom line, Copper is cheaper and more predictable. HubSpot costs more, but does more. Ease of use. Copper lives inside Gmail and Google Workspace. It auto-captures emails, calls, and contacts with almost no manual data entry. Great if your team already works in Gmail all day. HubSpot has a steeper learning curve and more moving parts, but that is because it is not just a CRM. It's marketing automation, live chat, ticketing, and a CMS bundled together. Features. Copper focuses on relationship management, pipelines, task automation, and reporting once you are on higher plans. Marketing features only unlock on Copper's business plan. HubSpot covers a much wider range out of the box: email marketing, landing pages, customer service tools, and deep reporting across the entire customer journey. If you plan to scale past a small sales team, HubSpot has more room to grow. Who should pick which? Choose Copper if your team lives in Gmail, if you want minimal setup and data entry, if you are a small team focused purely on sales relationships, and choose HubSpot if you need marketing automation and lifecycle reporting, if you are scaling past 25 seats, and if you want platform for marketing, sales, and services. Both are solid CRMs. The right one depends on your team size and how much you need beyond just sales tracking. If this helped, drop a like and let me know down below in the comments which one you are using. Thanks for watching and goodbye.